a free-range garage bunny, and it's been established that a bored bunny is a bad bunny. So I wanted to show you a few little boredom busters for bunnies that we have around for him to entertain himself a little, which still don't always work, but some of it does. So one thing in particular that keeps him busy is his little hay bale over here. He loves hay, eats it for his snack. I put it in his cage. He likes to basically chew it in little pieces, but his hay bale also gives him somewhere to sit, so he really likes that. And let's see what else. In his area, if you have lots of places for him to sit and explore, he really likes all of that. His newest place is over here on this desk chair where he somehow figured he can get up over the cat beds and up onto that desk chair. So I find him sitting out here all the time now is his new place. Let me see what else. Also, something very simple that he really likes is just a box full of hay. And he'll get in there every day and he'll smash it all down and digs through it and does whatever he does, but he does enjoy that a lot. He enjoys cardboard boxes, just sitting inside of them, and he does kind of chew them up too, but he really likes those. He likes his treats for sure. And then I'm going to use his treats here to try to get him to do this new little toy that I made him. He likes to crawl through things. So I got this little concrete form tube from Menards. You can probably get it in any store like that. But it's a little tube. And he's been going in and out. He likes that tube. And then I put a big box of hay at the bottom so he can either crawl through it and get to the hay or go the other way or do whatever he likes to do. Another simple thing that he likes or doesn't like, I'm not sure how it goes, but he hates newspaper. He does not like bags like this, and he'll carry them around and toss them and fight with them. So I'm not sure if it makes him happy and he enjoys playing with them or they just make him really mad. He likes, that's a cat toy, but he does like gardening gloves. The cats sometimes knock my gloves down. He likes to carry those around. I'll find him in his cage with gardening gloves, which would be like a toss toy. They do sell fancy toss toys in the pet store, and he normally doesn't have much to do with those, but he has one anyway. So all these ideas give you some ideas for things you can do to kind of keep your bunny occupied. These wouldn't work in your house. They'd be too messy, but I leave them up periodically in my garage, and it works out okay for him. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. He's in here right now digging around. Not sure exactly what he's doing. I may have to find a way to make that not so wobbly. But he definitely likes it in there, and he's been hanging out in that tube. There he is.